Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find or locate your user ID on MEXC Exchange. So to get started with the guide, I'm going to walk you through two methods at which you can use to get your user ID. So you can get your user ID using the mobile app, or you can also get your ID using the website version. So to get started with the mobile app, so the first thing is to open the MEXC app and log into your account. Then tap the profile icon, usually at the top left or the top right corner, depends on your app version. Then you will see your UID number, usually below your email or username. Then if it is on the mobile website, just go to www.MEXC account and log into your account from there. Then click the profile icon, which is at the top right of the screen. Then on a drop down will appear. Your UID will be listed under your email or your username, and that's how you can locate your UID on MEXC account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.